What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Passionate here, and welcome to Easter Family Values. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would be so pleased to have you here with our fam. If you're an oldie but goodie, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll know each and every time that we upload. Alright, so today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I clean my front load washer. Yes. Some of us do not know when we purchase our front load washers that there's a lot of work that goes into it. Yes, they're state-of-the-art, technology-driven. They look amazing in your laundry room. However, you have to have some upkeep with them. So I'm going to show you how I clean mine. It's an agonizing chore that I have to do at least once a month, but it's got to be done. So I'm going to show you how I clean mine, and hopefully you will learn something, or either you can provide some tips for me, something that I may have missed. Don't hesitate to put it in the comment section. So let's get clean. Alright guys, so let's start out with the products that we will be using today. I'm going to be using a mildew cleaner by Mean Green, baking soda, vinegar, and poly mesh scrubbers. For step one, I'm going to start out by putting about half the box of the baking soda in the washer, and I'm going to run it on the longest cycle available, which is about an hour and 48 minutes. So baking soda is an alkaline powder that raises the pH of water if you're using it while washing your clothes, but today we're using it as an antiseptic to discourage bacteria growth and also eliminate odors. For step two, I used about 2 cups of the distilled vinegar, and I also added about 15 to 20 drops of the lemon essential oil, and I also ran it on the longest cycle for the washer. Vinegar is going to assist with removing residue and also helping with odors. I'm a little embarrassed to show you this part, but after cleaning with the baking soda as well as the vinegar, I'm just showing you how the mold looks here in the washer. Ugh. Alright, so let's get down to business here. So I'm going to start out with that mildew cleaner by Mean Green. I'm going to go ahead and spray inside that rubber belt, and I'm going to go ahead and give it like a preliminary little scrub, but I'm also going to let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can do its job. So if you look closely, you can see how much of a difference this disinfectant agent has made getting all of that mildew and mold out of the way. But I'm going to go ahead and scrub, and as you can see, it's really coming off here. So after wiping it down, I'm not completely satisfied with the results, so I'm going to go ahead and give it another spray and let it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to use my time wisely, and as I'm waiting for that mildew cleaner to just set, I'm going to go ahead and remove the soap dispenser here from off of the washer so I can clean that as well, because as you can see, it's got a little bit of gunk and filth on it. clean the soap dispenser, I'm just going to use a bit of my Method soap as well as some bleach.
So as I'm cleaning the soap dispenser, I realized there are a couple of places that I just can't reach, so I get an old toothbrush and get the job done. So here I went back where the soap dispenser is housed, and I went ahead and used that mildew cleaner and also wiped this out as well. My washer also includes a pedestal for organizational purposes, but I rarely use it. But I'm going to go ahead and remove these dividers so I can wash these. While those dividers are drying, I'm going to go ahead and use some Lysol spray and clean out this compartment down here. I'm going to really have to get in the crevices with a toothbrush, if you notice here. Yeah, you really got to get in there. So here I had to pinch basically the paper towel to make sure I could really get in that narrow space there to make sure that I cleaned it here. I'm putting those dividers back in place, and we are officially done with this area. I am really determined to make sure I get every nook and cranny, every crevices, every little crack that I can get to make sure that this rubber belt is clean and is free of mildew or mold. So this is what I call the paper towel wipe down test. If it wipes clean, that means I have done my job. If not, that means I'm gonna have to go in and do a little bit more work. But as you can see, as I'm wiping, the paper towel is still clean. Yes! I wish I had the Rocky theme music to play right here, but look at this, guys. This is so rewarding. Look at how clean this is now. Thank goodness. Now that all the extra hard work has been done, I'm going to go ahead and clean the exterior of the washer. I'm just using Lysol and some paper towels to make sure that I can get that all clean. Last but not least, please remember to leave your washer open after every cycle to avoid mold.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, if you saw anything or any tips that you can provide for cleaning the front lobe washers, I would be so honored to get those tips, because I mean, we're all here to learn. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are an oldie but goodie, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll know each and every time that we upload. Until next time, guys. See you later.